All right, hello and welcome to the Messana YouTube channel. In today's video, I want to show you around a job site of ours. We've been working on this job for quite some time with our local Bay Area installer, Hydronica. It uses Messana Controls to manage a radiant ceiling, radiant floor, as well as Jaga hydronic fan coils. So there's a lot to show off in this project, so let's get into it. All right, so right when you enter the home, you're greeted by the first Jaga Climate Canal 19, and that is the unit you see on the floor right here. It has nice silver grills. The whole home went with silver grills. The Climate Canal 19s are used in the common areas like the living room, this entryway, and then when you get into the bedrooms, you'll have the Climate Canal 10s, which are a bit thinner. And so these are the big ones for the big spaces, and then the Climate Canal 10s are in the bedrooms. All right, and then here you see the Climate Canal 19 mounted in the ceiling. Once again, it has the nice silver grills, but it's nicely placed right here where all this glass is that would potentially be heated up by the sun. And so you don't want that heating up your space a ton. And so placing these fan coils here next to this glass and then around this corner on the other side where there's even more glass is a great call. And so very nice install here. Okay, and then here we are once again. This is a bedroom. And so we have the Climate Canal here. It is operating right now. I feel it. It's nice and cool, but it is so quiet. And one thing about Messana Controls is we can actually manage the 0 to 10 volt fan speed for these units. And so we can control how loud or how strong these fans are, which is really key when your clients want true comfort, because comfort is not just thermal comfort. There are other factors like indoor air quality and acoustic quality. And so we want to make sure we're not having a bad effect on the indoor air quality, but also that acoustic disturbance. And so that's a good reason why we like to manage the Jaga fan coils fan speed. Some benefits of using Messana Controls with these units is we can actually power some of their low voltage models directly. We can control the 0 to 10 volt fan speed, which is really nice. And we could also use these units to provide some level of dehumidification by operating the fan coils using chilled water at a low fan speed to pull moisture out of the air to dehumidify, which really helps a radiant cooling system in terms of output. All right, and so this is the mechanical room. This whole right side is your domestic hot water system, and this whole left side is our hydronic system. And so you can see all the little white boxes are Messana controllers and zoning modules that we're using to manage the hydronic system. And then we have this tank here, which will store your hot or cold water that have come from the air to water heat pump. So that heated or chilled water is stored here before it is dispersed throughout the home for heating and cooling. Okay, and then real quick, I want to show off the heat pumps. This home uses two 3-ton air to water heat pumps made by Space Pack. So that's this unit and this unit right here. This mini split is being used to cool the mechanical room and the garage itself, and so that's not connected to this hydronic system. But in terms of the hydronic system, it is these two Space Pack 3-ton units. All right, and so now we're going to talk about everyone's favorite part of a Messana system, and that is the radiant cooling side of things. Through the use of our intelligent sensors that you'll see scattered throughout this home, we monitor the dew point temperature, which is critical when it comes to radiant cooling. Whenever we bring up radiant cooling, everyone's first concern is condensation. They always ask, how do you avoid condensation? And the answer is we keep the radiant surface above the dew point temperature. And so these floors right now are cold, but they are still above the dew point temperature, so we are avoiding condensation while still providing cooling. So yes, this radiant floor is currently active and cooling. I'll make sure to show that off, but let's go check out a radiant ceiling. All right, and now I'm in one of the bedrooms. The bedrooms throughout this home typically use a Jaga Climate Canal fan coil to provide heating and cooling since they're smaller spaces. Loads can typically be met that way. But in this room, we also incorporated a radiant ceiling, which also adds a whole other level of comfort. And so this room is really nice right now, even though it's pretty hot outside. And yeah, just a beautiful room. This project came together really nicely, and I'm happy to show it off.